Holistiplan is a software tool built by and for financial advisors to make tax planning radically more efficient and consistent. Tasks that once took the better part of an hour can now be done in seconds. It all starts with a tax return review. Holistiplan uses state-of-the-art optical character recognition to read in a PDF tax return. This video is not sped up or edited down for time. The software generally is able to read in a document in under a minute. What I uploaded in this case was a real 48-page PDF tax return. The optical character recognition software is running through it, extracting the needed information. Once that's done, you have immediate access to this tax report, a client deliverable branded with your logo and disclaimer. The report lists out key details from the return, key calculations and phase-outs, and actionable planning opportunities to bring to your client or prospect. Next, we look forward by building scenarios for upcoming tax years. Since we've already read in information from the tax return, we can use that as a baseline, avoiding an enormous amount of tedious data entry. Simply copy that tax year forward and adjust the assumptions as needed. This screen will give us the expected taxes for our scenarios, along with the impact on Medicare premiums and MAGI phase-outs. Interested in understanding how that next $1,000, $10,000, or $100,000 of income will impact the tax bill? Our RangeCalc screen lays it all out for you in an easy-to-read chart. Now you can skip the tedious step of hunting for the top of the current or next tax bracket. And you can easily see hidden gotchas like credit phase-outs, taxable Social Security phase-ins, and alternative minimum tax. For clients of Medicare age, see the premium increase thresholds too. On both the Scenario Analysis and RangeCalc screens, you have the option to print out a branded report to review with your clients. Now that we've reviewed last year's tax return and developed some scenarios to test our strategies for this year, Holistiplan gives us a place to capture the tax planning strategies we've actually carried out. Roth conversions, rollovers, qualified charitable distributions, all of these actions need to be captured properly on the tax return. As an additional service to your client, you can use Holistiplan to capture them all during the year, then generate a branded tax preparation letter in the spring to share with your client's tax preparer. Finally, to close the loop, as we start a new tax year with the review of the next newly filed tax return, we now have a record of what we did in the previous year. For clients who received a tax preparation letter, the subsequent tax report includes that list with hints on how to check the return for mistakes. As you can see, tax planning is a year-round activity, and Holistiplan is there to help with all of it. We hope you'll consider joining the thousands of financial advisors who have made Holistiplan part of their financial planning practice. See for yourself with a free 7-day trial. We're pretty confident that you'll love the time you save, and your clients will love the rich, consistent tax planning you provide year after year.